Woke up stiff, back not ready to carry the day? Let's change how you stand, move, and feel, starting now. This 5-minute reset will unlock your spine and reawaken the deep core muscles that support your energy, posture, and breath. By the end, you'll feel taller, lighter, and more supported from the inside out. Start in tabletop. On your inhale, drop the belly. Lift your head and tailbone. On the exhale, around the spine, press into the floor and tuck your chin. This one might feel simple, but trust me, it's one of the most powerful resets you can give your nervous system before the day begins. I promise you just 60 seconds and cat-cow can clear out stiffness from sleeping, relieve tension from stress, and help your breath connect with your spine. Beginners, go slow and use a folded towel under your knees. Advanced stretches, add slight circles with your hips during the flow. The motion here actually massages your internal organs and boosts circulation to your brain. Try to exaggerate each movement. 5 more seconds, even deeper now. Do you feel your spine beginning to wake up yet? If not, deepen the breath and let it move your whole body. That just turned the lights back on in your spine. Let's plug in the core next. From tabletop, extend your right arm forward and your left leg straight back. Reach and lengthen. Engage your abs to stay balanced. Switch sides after 30 seconds. This move matters because stability is built before strength. If your core isn't firing, your back takes the hit. Every time. I promise Bird Dog will improve posture, protect your spine, and set up your body to move better all day. Beginners, tap the hand and foot down between reps. Advanced stretches, hold longer and pulse to lift the limbs. Here's a surprising fact. Bird Dog activates over 40 muscles, many that weaken from sitting. Squeeze the glute. Extend the hand 1 inch farther. Hold for 5 more seconds. Wobbling a little? Good. That means you're challenging the small stabilizers, and that's where transformation happens. That just built spinal stability. Now let's light up the core from the front. Lie on your back, arms up, knees at 90 degrees. Slowly extend your right leg and left arm without letting your back arch. Return, then switch sides. This is one of the most effective core exercises, and you don't even have to leave the floor. I promise this move will build real strength in the deep core muscles that protect your spine from injury. Beginners, just move the legs or arms, not both. Advanced stretches, add ankle weights or slow down the tempo. Dead bug is often used in rehab programs. It's that good for your spine. Tighten your core and move even slower. Give it 5 more seconds. Is your back lifting off the mat? Pull your belly button toward the floor. That's how you stay safe and strong. Core's on fire. Let's reward your spine with some dynamic length. Start in downward dog. Hips high, heels reaching down. Then ripple forward. Lower your hips, lift your chest in cobra. Flow between the two. This dynamic flow will open up your entire back chain. Hamstrings, hips, spine, and chest. Everything gets a piece of the release. I promise this combo will melt tension and boost circulation in under 60 seconds. Beginners, lower knees in cobra. Advanced stretches, add a pause in each position. Alternating between flexion and extension wakes up both nervous system branches. Rest and alertness flow through once more. Slow it down. 5 more seconds in cobra. Feel that deep line of release through your front and back? That's a real wake-up call. That just energized your spine. Now let's melt the tension out of your legs. Stand tall, hinge at the hips, soften the knees, and fold forward. Let your head hang. Grab the opposite elbows if it feels good. This is where it all comes together. This stretch decompresses your spine, lengthens the entire back body, and calms the nervous system. I promise this final move will leave you taller, lighter, and more relaxed than when we started. Beginners, bend knees deeply. Advanced stretches, straighten the legs more or sway gently side to side. Just 60 seconds here can reduce lower back pressure by up to 35%. Let gravity pull you a little deeper. Hold for 5 more seconds. Do you feel lighter? That's your spine thanking you. That was your full spinal and core reset in just 5 minutes. This reset needs reinforcement. That's why I created the 3-day reset, a free daily plan to keep your body pain-free, mobile, and energized all day. Click the link now before tension creeps back in. You showed up for your body, let's keep showing up together.